Yeah. What's up, you guys? Mishka in the house. Um, let's prep for tomorrow. I've been working on SAP the entire day today, so didn't have a chance to take a look at what is going on. So you guys feel me in. This guy moves here, and now mhm. And now that's how it looks. It's the first sign of reversal. That was our local extremum, and we can keep an eye on it. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yes, please. Yes, please. I want this guy. Yes, like that. Okay. That's our air products. Pepsi. You see, depends on how you read it. This was definitely a bearish bar. Even though this bar is bearish, see this gap it was closing. So you can see this as a bullish bar. Bar. But I wouldn't trade the signal. And anyhow, we need a test since it's an expansion of the T2 level and far below zero point 0.5. So, and here, what happened here? Like this, like this. Yeah. Biggest volume is here. So yeah, you guys. Boom, boom. But broke. But broke. You see the reaction bar is down. Otherwise, it's a beautiful setup. Otherwise, it's a beautiful setup here on daily for our Pepsi. Pepsi, and there is no increased volume on manipulation signal. However, doesn't have to be because um, 0.5 correction, biggest volume of the uptrend. Should I call it uptrend and downtrend? Just to, I don't like this bullish bearish or even long and short. It's like uptrend, downtrend. Yeah, it looked good. Let's see if it gave us a manipulation signal on 5. Not really. Dun 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 dun. Dun dun. That's a level. Or maybe anyhow. It's like just it's two goes below. Then it goes here, here. Yeah. You see this guy? No volume though. Yeah. No. No luck on 5. You seeing what I'm seeing? And that wasn't the biggest volume. Yeah, no, 5 minute didn't give us. Yeah, there is no increased volume here, and that was the only. So that was the entry point. Like slightly above zero point 0.5, however, it's okay. Didn't give us this entry point. And regardless, you see how like 5 minute can show you like what's going on sometimes inferior in time frame, because even though this closed like, yeah, technically it broke this level. Reaction bar is short. So after this, it closed short. Yeah, let's keep up with our system. That's our Pepsi. Ooh, we continue keeping an eye on that tomorrow. Our Exxon, boom, completed upthrust with the increased volume from zero point 0.5. It's an excellent entry point. However, you see what I mean? Like, it's so high. This is not sexy at all. See what I mean? And it's even above the zero point 0.5. Like, it's too big of a. Yeah, I see it goes here. It's a trend trade, so it doesn't have to be below the zero point 0.5 to take profit, I mean. But if it tests this 2 bar spring tomorrow and then resumes, that would be better entry point. Biggest volume of the everything checks out except for the fact that it's like so up here high. So if it goes retest here and then give us a better entry on hourly though, yeah, you see, didn't give us a test, didn't give us nothing for entry here. Just shoot up straight in the morning. That's our Exxon. What about this guy? AstraZeneca. AstraZeneca grinds higher. Technically, it's so now this is our. Even though here's like 1 bar rule, but you can register the change of a trend. So even though we wouldn't play of this T2, but we can definitely play of this sign of strength bar, volume bar, and now we think it's an uptrend. Yeah, I'll be calling it uptrend, downtrend just to make a difference. You know what I mean? What happened here is turn, yeah, turn, turn, and that's the biggest volume. Can we do it like this? Not really. Yeah. Let's keep an eye on daily. Everything flew shot into the skies. I'm not gonna be able to trade tomorrow again because your boy's having an audition in a theater. Yeah, Dow Jones is in this balance now, closed above the creek. So expanded creek is here now. That's like makes sense that market will go into the balance. Spy broke above. This volume, then it overcomes the volume, comes to the Russell. If it forms a 2 bar upthrust here, and then test resumption of the sales, it's an entry point short. We already saw this guy. This guy now. Mm, this guy now is at the jump over creek level with the volume, makes an upthrust, makes a spring tomorrow, and it's tradable. You see, piam piam. What happened here? Why did we see this entry point? 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Yeah, yeah, you see? Plug. Good deal. Good deal. Um, what happened here is this level breaks below. So now it's here. Is it the biggest volume? It's not the biggest volume, so it's not a test level. Actually, sorry. So that's what's going on here now. You can put this level here. Uh, even this. A little bit too high above zero point 0.5. But anyhow, I'm just fooling around. I'm not gonna buy more block. I just keep an eye on it because mm, Accenture, you see, boom, shoot up into the skies. Um, just because I have it in my portfolio. Um, coin, never tested. Did it give us an entry point on hourly? On hourly, it did, right? Oh no, it didn't. Up thrust, down, down, down. Yeah, nothing. But coin. What was the point though? The point is that I continue to hold. I mean, this guy. I'm interested about what was the trade we were looking for. Um, Qs. Was it Qs? No, it was something else. The trade that I didn't take because of my statistic that doesn't allow me yet to trade up high. Okay. Yeah, I see this level. It's potentially interesting. But once again, we won't be able to trade it. Not until the price corrects. My statistic does not allow me that. JP Morgan goes higher. You see it went to the 0.5 and resumes in the direction of the trend. Classy. Classy. So now it's a new T1, T2 level. Let's continue watching it. Yeah, market is bullish. Market is bullish. Bank of America. This guy, XLF. Everything goes higher. Everything says bye bye. I go into the sky. You know what I mean? I think this is this guy now. Oh, hold on. Do we have it open? Yeah, we have it open. Be my. No volume though. Interesting level. It's a balance. Expanding creep. 1212. Boom, boom. No volume though yet. If the reaction bar has like bigger volume, then it's interesting. So BXLP, Dune technically broke this level. So we're waiting this price to go to T2. Peps we already discussed. Casco, yeah, Casco was the trade, you see. Didn't go much, but go our direction. Hourly still choppy. Yeah, Casco was the trade I was afraid to take because it's just so high. Setup is there, but it's like my statistic does not allow me to do things like that yet. I'll get there, I promise. I promise, Mom. I'm gonna get there. to do. That's our CVS trade that we've missed. Home Depot, XLI, just freaking out. Broke up. APD, do we have it open? We do have it open. Our military stock. Everything is so bullish. Wait. Ooh, oh. What is it? Oh, to do. Look what's going on. Something is going on in the Russian market. Look at this guy. Wow. Is it just at the opening? Uh, exchange. Yeah. Yeah, it's just at the opening. Look at this. Wow. It's also my virtual stop. I think I'll hold this um, in my portfolio. Wow. This is amazing. Something is going on it. Let me see the Rubble real quick. Rub. Use the use the Rub. Use the Rub tomorrow. Perpetual. No. Wow. RTS. Yes. Futures. All right. Hmm. Interesting. No, it's only Hydra. Rose Gidra. Haha. Interesting. And this volume. This is brutal. Interesting. It will pick it up from here anyways. Just maybe I should buy more. Interesting. Regardless. Um, minute. Um, day. What I'm looking at. Rocco. Okay. Rocco is fine. Just went to 0.5. Will go higher. Um, Comcast needs to go there. Um, okay. That's it, you guys. That's it. So that's what we've got for. Yeah, technically, it's broken now. And we should stop looking for any. Yes. But practically, where is this gap? Yeah, here it is. So if seen from here, you see like this gap, and that's a close. So we'll keep an eye because that's where our system can like malfunction because this is technically it's a uh, even though it's a bearish bar, it's a bullish move from here from the close of the previous bar. Yeah, the whole move is like bullish. um, this is definitely is breakthrough, but yeah, we'll keep an eye on daily. Stick and be go. Axon needs to go test this one because it's like too high. Same deal. This stock needs to decide what it wants to do, and that's it. Let's see our crypto real quick. If you guys have any interesting stocks to watch, let me know. Just goes higher and higher and higher. Um, boom. Yeah, this may just be stop loss. I mean, it will break me even because I closed half here. Yeah. Anyhow, Bitcoin. Bitcoin. So forget this level, never existed. Forget this level. It's a test level still. Um, Continue to grind higher. Oops. We need you in hours. We need you in hours and hours and hours. So what happened here is 1, 2. Oh, okay, and then this went here. This went here and broke below. And we could have watched for entry points here. 15th, 15th, 8 p.m. I like how trading view is in the 24-hour format. Way more convenient for me. Oh, okay, so who wants to lose some money? Because market definitely provided an opportunity. An opportunity. So it was like this. Okay, let's see what happened here. So was change of the trend, and then it was like this. Yeah, here. So this was the high, the previous high. Mm, boom, boom, transitory extremum, and then goes tests, and technically that could have been our entry point here, and that's the biggest volume of the it's not the biggest volume of the downward trend, short trend. Should I call it short? But it's all tested, it's all good here. After this volume comes in though, the volume distribution is kind of right, but this volume is definitely alarming. This volume here. It's not the biggest volume of the trend. We still have this guy partially tested, but far below. Well, I mean, might have been an opportunity to lose some money. Um, um, yeah, so technically, This goes like tests here, goes down. Yeah, I think that was our long setup here. Low 51, 560, 51, 560, 51, 560, no, 51, 560. Like this. Like this. The only thing that's potentially alarming here mm, is this volume. It's a big volume. Market is strong though. No one told us it has to reverse. When it grinds higher. Yeah, I think it's a legitimate stop. And once we get stopped from one level, we stop looking for new entry points. And now it's here. Here. Biggest volume was here. And 1.5 was here. Also, we could have, yeah, watched for entry points. One stop a day anyways, so we couldn't. So the rule is one stop a day and one stop from one level. So once we got this stop here, we would have stopped looking for new entry points here, which was technically this guy. But it's already broke, yeah. And then here, boom, 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 and nothing here. And by the time it comes here, yeah, this is up thrust, and the test closed above the T1 level. So next one would be here. By this time, it's already closed. It broke below, above the sign of weakness. And now we need to wait for price to interact with either of the levels. Let's see though what we had here on 14th and 15th. 14th, here it's an upcoming, it's like long trend. So we could have watched for entry here. 1404, 1404, 1404. Yeah. Uh, Wait. We were discussing this today. Oh, something here we needed to test, which didn't happen. However, with this type of volume, you had to play it. You have to play it. Yeah. Yeah, let's put it into our logbook. Here, close. It expanded once, went back, and whoa, that's ours. That's ours. So, 14th of February. Copy link. Document all your trades all the time, because if you want to grow and do something better in the future, you need to be able to analyze your past. 14th, it's a St. Valentine's Day trade. Oops, no. Here on hourly, so what happened here? And see this like volume distribution? It's like really, really cool. like biggest volume of the short trend here, and then your volume grows, gives us this sign of strength bar, and then here it dies out when it goes down, and then oops, I'm too far. This bar, and then this bar, then again, that's our test of the sign of strength, and then no volume on correction. So impulse, correction, and that's the base model of volume spread analysis. Impulse, correction, strong, fast impulse, and long, weak correction. And this checks out here. So definitely trade this one. Trend trade 3 back trade plus long impulse plus sign jump over creek test T2 level plus support level. Was there like, let's see if it was also a, oh my gosh, my brain is melting. Oh, so much better. So that was one bar rule. However, yes, that was one bar rule. So yeah, jump over creek. It was below, so it wasn't 0.5 correction. Yeah. This goes to my logbook. Oops. Trend trade, copy link, insert link. Okay. On the minutes. Spring. Didn't wait for test. Wait, what? Yeah, no. Come on, TradingView. Don't do that to me. You don't need to wait for tests. It's just such a, because of this volume. Incoming direction of the impulse is long, and it's 1 2 1 2. It's a conservative trend trade 3 back trade plus long balance plus expanding price plus, and it's volumed. It's actually biggest volume. Biggest volume, expanding ice, support level, plus biggest volume spring. Calculated affordable plus 1 to 2 risk, 1 to 2 risk to reward, take profit. Yeah, that's all I can say about this trade. It's beautiful in its simplicity. And yeah, what else would you expect from it? 440, 440, conservative trade, spring, 440, entry price, stop loss minus 34, take profit 268. 268 is the result. Let's see the minimum and max. So minimum it went against us is low 49,313, 41,313, 49,313, 26, and max we don't know yet, right? Yeah, it's still going. It's still going. Perfect, beautiful. So entry point here, and then anything here? No, then it goes higher. And is it a balance? Yeah, it's a balance now, so we can check out entry points for here. Well, technically, but yeah, I would use this, the fact that on test it reaches T2, and this is like independent approach to the T1, so that not to trade this upthrust because the whole thing is like bear or bullish, distinctively bullish. Okay. Okay. Yeah, and that takes us to this situation where we could be looking for this hour. We can be oh wait. Okay, there was, and then we reached what was the day level. Okay, and that's it for today. And that's it for today. So yeah, I'm not going to be trading tomorrow, but Pepsi potentially on hourly. I don't know what it has to do on hourly. Probably it will just grind higher. But still, Exxon, if it tests somewhere like reasonably, because it's like too high, technically, that's the trade. Practically, well, maybe it's not that scary. It's 0.5. It's like everything else checks out. Maybe it's not that bad. You know what I mean? Was it giving us something on hourly? On hourly, nothing. Yeah. It's not bad for monthly. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it's not bad. We'll see tomorrow. Or maybe I should put a limit order for the same price. I think it will go retested tomorrow. And then it's kind of high on monthly, but it's within the range, you know what I mean? What do you think, guys? Also, the thing that's bothering me is that here it didn't have enough strength to manipulate the T1 level. After a test, you do a short trade. 0.5 test, you do a short trade, and you expect this to go and manipulate T1, but it didn't. We'll keep an eye. I'm not going to set a limit trade. This is good though. This guy is good. It just needs to do something. Just needs to do something. We'll keep an eye on daily first, right? Because yeah, on daily. It needs to do something on daily. And this guy looks super cool. Yeah, if it just like either goes here, but like stretched, you see, stretched, no, rather like goes up, and then this is our sign of strength, and then goes like tests, form something here, and then we can try. Okay. I'm not gonna be checking the rest. Well, let's see what they have in support for me. Help center support tickets. And drunk or not synced on separate pins. Is there a way to change it? Thank you. Thank you for Swift reply. Send. Okay. Let me take a look at Hydra one more time. Just interesting. What it's gonna do here. This is interesting. This is an interesting development. Yeah, you see this tail? They're gonna buy it out, and just like I'm curious if I should add to the position. Because you see what it's doing now. Monthly, it's kind of in the middle of nowhere. Oh, and that was this earnings? No, earnings are not even here yet. Should I add? I think I should add a little bit. Yeah. And look at this tail. Someone bought it out. Someone bought it out. I think I should add to my position. Like right here. Right here. Okay, guys, I'm gonna let you go. Anyhow, you're not interested in Russian market, but I think it's a good point to add here to the position. Okay, later.